Thank you.
So I want to ask you a little bit about, like, how did you get here?
Wow, wow. Here in the
Here at this
area,
point in
just
your life.
wow. I just never gave up. You know, from having that record on the radio back in the '80s and just touring, and I toured in London. I met so many people. I met Anita Baker, and I met Vanessa Williams, and just through my journey, having a good time, but never giving up. And so I always said to myself that if it doesn't happen fast enough, there's nothing that can stop you from doing anything. You know, and I would submit query letters to companies to try to get my book out when I was in my 20s, and it just didn't happen fast enough for me. So I just said, as soon as I get the funding to do my project, I'm going to just fund whatever projects I want. So I owned a record company in the 80s and opened up my first record company and got the first record out, which is still available actually online if you search I'm Good For You. It's still DJs, and a DJ from France emailed me a week ago and said, I want your 12-inch record. I love you. I'm a fan, and I want your 12-inch record. And I was like, oh, okay, you can have one. And so I sent it to France. And so I just didn't give up. And I just said, I'll just keep going and see how far it takes me. My uncle actually is the founder of Crossroads Theater, Lee Richardson. And so that's like kind of my connection to the Cosbys. And, you know, I haven't met Bill Cosby yet, but I'd love to meet him one day. And so I was watching the theater from the time I was a child, and I was on stage from the time I was a child. So having that in my family really, really helped, you know, and I'm hoping that my uncle can help me find a stage in New York. So he's doing directing in California, so.
That's great. You know, one of the things that I'm always inspired by is people who are unstoppable, because
Thank you.
things take a long time.
Yes,
and
it does take a while.
it's the one thing I keep hearing from people who have succeeded.
Takes
is,
forever.
I persevered, I didn't give up.
I'm not
so
giving
it's
up.
really about not giving up.
Yes.
You know, before you actually perform for us, because we're very excited you're going to perform, I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much for being here.
Oh, bless you.
And it's been great. It's been inspiring. And don't give up. Can we get a close-up of the book?
Thank you.
I want everyone to go out and check this out.
Thank you.
At Barnes & Noble in Princeton.
It's also available online at Barnes & Noble if they want to order as well.
Great. Words Can Explain by Shaw Renee.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Oh, God bless. Oh, my God. Thank you.